your girl, Divana Nicole. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you're surviving this heat. Oh my God, it's been so hot. I haven't felt like doing anything. And I mean anything. So we finally have our brown sugar box for June 2024. Our girlfriend did come on time this month, so I ain't got nothing negative to say. I'm the one behind because it's just been hot. I just haven't felt like doing anything. I'm just being honest. I just been trying to stay cool. So without further delay, this box is a monthly Black Lifestyle beauty subscription box. It is $42 a month plus $8.95 shipping and handling, and plus tax based on where you live. What I do like about this subscription box is that if you need to put it on pause, if you need to skip a few months, you do have the option to do that with this subscription. So if you don't feel like getting it every month, you don't have to. You're away during the summertime. Hey, that's fine. Go ahead, put that sucker on pause. When you're ready to come back to it, you can just go ahead and pick back up for the next month. So I do like that about the subscription box. This box always comes with a t-shirt, which is another one of my favorite things about this box. And there's always some unique items in here. So let's go ahead and get into what we got for this month. And they had our little magazine was on the outside of the box, and it did get a little bent here. So yeah, but I love this picture. The print is just awesome. Like, just the artistry that was done here. Like, this lady's eyes are just like kind of drawing you in, and I just thought that was great. So this box here we have this month is going to be the travel edition. This is the inside of our magazine, and we have a listing of all of our products in here. They give us some information about the beautiful woman on the front. What's her name? Kyra. So step into the month with the spirit of Kyra. And again, this month we have the Inside Glow Girl Travel Edition. Our box value is $112. On the back, we do have our beauties of the month. So if you were one of the ladies that took a picture and sent it in to Izzy and Liv, you may be one of the ladies back here. And then we have our, what is back here? Oh yeah, our playlist. They always have like a little playlist of like songs and stuff like that. So let's see what we got in this month's box. Let's go ahead and get this thing popping. And I do love that they got the chick on the front. This is some beautiful artwork. I like that. Really like it. So guys, the first item I'm pulling out, looks like we have a 10-piece lip gloss mini set from Izzy and Liv. Let me take it out of here so we can see it in person. So this is what we have here. And this is nice. They said this is a 10-piece mini travel lip gloss set is valued at $12. It says keep your lips luscious and vibrant when our 10-piece mini travel lip gloss set featuring a variety of shades from subtle nudes to solids, reds, bolds, everything that you need to help keeping your pout on the go perfect. These travel mini glosses are perfect for slipping in your purse or carry-ons, ensuring that you're always ready to go. I do like that they have a lot of variety with the colors. So I think that is really cute. I can't wait to try them out. And we do got a clear one, which of course is needed, because if you want to wear one of your own lipsticks, you may just want to add the lip gloss to it. So I think that's pretty much good. And you got a good shade of colors, from the brights to more of the regular tones here with our browns and reds, and I think that's perfect. So let's see what else is in our box here. Let's go to the next thing. And again, the lip gloss minis were valued at $12. So the next thing I'm pulling out, oh, we have another one of the Soulful Journeys. This is volume 3, and this is the Babe's Guide to a Soulful Journey. And every month I was thinking it was the same one when I got the last one last month, and then I had to put them side by side, and I realized they is not the same. So each month they're giving you different things in here, like how to indulge self-care. This one's talking about the spa experience, going to concerts, traveling. This one's talking about traveling to Bali, having different kind of experiences, a food tour, London is a destination. And I like this. This I like this. This is, to me, you got affirmations in here as well. So they're making it different every month. This is volume 3, and they're putting a value on this of $10, and it says embark on a soulful journey with volume 3 of Brown Sugar Babe's guide, packed with travel tips, cultural insight, inspirational stories. This guide is your ultimate companion for exploring the world with confidence and grace. Discover new destinations and embrace the adventure of travel while celebrating your unique heritage. So I did like that. I think this is nice. I like seeing this. So let's see what else is in our box here. And the next thing I'm pulling out. Oh, okay. So we have an Izzy and Liv. This is a personal travel alarm. So basically, it says, watch it, sucker, stranger danger, safety alarm. So this is like a personal alarm you can travel with you. And I guess if you feel a little threatened or scared, you can just set it off. Let's take it out the box here. You got one of 3 colors. There was a purple, there was a light turquoise looking color, as well as pink. I have the pink. We do have the charging cable, and we have our little clip here, so you can just clip it to your bag or whatever have you. And they have like a button. It's a button here, it has tape over it, and I guess you just kind of hit this. Can we hit this? I want to see what it sounds like. Does it have batteries, or is it charged already? No, don't look like it's charged. Oh, it does have a light too, a flashlight. So how do you, oh, look. Wow. Well, how do you make the noise for the alarm? Isn't there like a noise or something? Let me see what it says here. What it says here is, stay safe with our Watch It Sucker travel safety alarm. This handy device clips onto your bag or keychain. It emits a loud siren when activated, ensuring that you're always prepared. With this cute design and powerful function, you will feel secure wherever you go. Okay, so how do you get the thing to go off? Okay, it works. It works. I'm like, how do you make it work in that loud ass sound? Oh my god. Wow, yes. This works. It was louder than I even imagined. Oh my goodness. So this is valued at $25. Yeah, I would say if you feel threatened, you definitely have an alarm now to use. I think I'm gonna get this to my mom, because I don't feel threatened when I go places, but I don't know. I mean, safety first, right? We travel to different places. I mean, I feel like you're more threatened in the city where you live at than probably when you go travel somewhere, but that's just me. But yeah, I think this is a great way to feel safe, especially if you're in a different place and you want to make sure that if something happens that people are paying attention. That is a very loud sound. I was not expecting that. That was loud. So it definitely works. Let's go to the next thing in our box, guys. Oh wow, that was loud. So the next thing we have a reversible bucket hat. Let me open this one. You could have got one of 5 different prints. And I have this one, that melanin. Let me open it up so you guys can see. So this is my bucket hat here. This is valued at $28. It says, top off your look with a splash of personality with our reversible bucket hat. You could choose from, with 6 stunning prints. Okay, with 6 prints, my bad. Black culture and style. Each hat offers 2 looks in one, so you can switch it up to match your mood or outfit. It's perfect accessory for sun protection and a bit of flair. So that is what the outside of the print looks like, and then you can flip it in and you can have a solid color here for blue. And with the heat and all, I would say if you're going to be out in the sun, you probably need something over your head and your face to kind of give you some level of relief from this sun and the heat. And this will be perfect. And now if I put I can't really put this on because I have the bun in my head and you're not really going to see anything. But yeah, I think this is perfect. Now $28, I may have to disagree with you with the price. That's probably where we're going to have a problem at, because it's just a bucket hat. I would say not $28. You guys let me know what you think, but definitely not $28. Okay, let's go to the next thing. And we also have our shirt of the month. And our shirt of the month, everybody got the same thing this month. So you have You Glow Girl tank top. Oh, we got a tank top. Awesome. Let's see what we have. This is our tank top for the month here. And I think that is nice. And it says, show off your inner radiance with our You Glow Girl tank top. This is a comfortable and chic black tank featuring our dazzling gold script that will keep you shining, keep your day shining and all day and night. Perfect for those sunny days out or cozy nights in. This tank is your new go-to piece. I like this shirt. This is cute. I like a good tank. And the quality on this actually feels pretty decent, guys. So our tank top here is valued at $22. And the quality feels pretty decent, actually. It's a decent size. The material has some texture to it. It doesn't feel cheap. It actually feels pretty, like a pretty decent tank. And I like tank tops, and as hot as it's been, we definitely needed a tank. So that's perfect. Black kind of goes with everything, so I think that works. I like it. I like it a lot. So I have extra large. Yes. And that's unisex extra large, guys. We have one more item in our box, so let's see what that is. And we have, what is this supposed to be? This is going to be, oh, a 10. No, this is going to be, so guys, this is going to be a cosmetic satchel. Okay, I've seen these before, but not in this box. So this is something definitely new for the box. So there was looks like one of 4 prints that you could have received. Yeah. So it says, organize your beauty essentials in our chic cosmetic satchel, available in 5 unique prints. This satchel keeps all of your makeup and toiletries neatly stored and easily accessible. The spacious drawstring ensures you have everything you need at your fingertips, whether you're traveling or you're at home. I would say I like this more for maybe makeup. I kind of gave you guys an example and kind of just do some stuff in the bag so you guys can see it in use. But yeah, I would say maybe makeup, but I'm kind of a stickler. I don't want none of my stuff to spill, so yeah, maybe makeup. But you could definitely use it for your toiletries as well. I think it fits everything. But yes, it's kind of like you can kind of undo it and all your stuff is in one place. But I would say more for my makeup, that would make sense for me. Toiletries, yeah, I guess it just depends. I'm just particular about certain things when I travel. I like my stuff to not be in a spot where it can spill. So I guess that's what I will kind of be worried about. But otherwise, I think it's a great idea. This is valued at $15. I would say that's priced about right. I would say that's priced about right. I feel comfortable with that a little bit more. So guys, in review, we have items for our box. We have our tee, which is the Glow Girl, which is going to be a tank top this month. Tee. We have our cosmetic satchel, which I think is a great idea. We have our personal alarm, which we all had the joy of hearing at the highest decimal. We have our Volume 3 Brown Sugar Babes Guide to Soulful Journey. We have our bucket hat here, which is reversible. And we have our mini lip gloss set for the month. So this was the travel edition. How did you guys think they did? I would say not bad. Not bad, to be quite honest. If you're out in the heat, like I recently just came back from Houston, that heat was fierce. Like I'm literally by the pool, and I mean that heat was something else. I could have definitely used the bucket hat right then and there. If you're going out to festivals and you're walking all these different events in the summer, you could definitely use the bucket hat for sure. And if you're somebody worried about your personal safety, or maybe if you're traveling by yourself, I would say this alarm probably will come in very handy for you. And then we have the cosmetic satchel. I think this is a great idea. You could kind of put all your stuff in one place, pull the strings, throw it in your bag, be ready to go. Especially if you're not carrying like too much stuff. I think this is perfect actually. I probably overpack, which is my problem. That's why I'm like trying to figure out how I'm gonna use this. I'm like, I overpack. I bring everything but the kitchen sink. That's the problem. And then we have our inspiration. We have this talks about travel and this little guidebook and everything. I think that's cool. I like this. And then we have our lip glosses. I think that works too. I think overall this was not a bad box. Now, you know, I may go with you to an extent. It's not a bad box. I just don't think some of the prices, they might be a little inflated, just a tad bit. But yeah, I thought it was a good box. If you guys have picked this up, let me know what prints you guys got in yours. Did you like this month's box? Hope you enjoyed today's video. I would love to hear if you did pick up this box, what you got in there. Love chatting with you guys down below. You guys let me know what you like and you don't like. And I love that, you know, the realness of it. We get these different boxes. I know it's not going to be a hit every month. It's a hit or miss, definitely. But yeah, I love chatting with you. We all talk about how we think the box could be better. But guys, thanks for joining me today. I hope you guys find whatever way you can to stay cool in all this heat. And we are now going into July, so we're really about to roast for real. Stay cool the best way you can. Enjoy all your summer vacations. I will see you for our next box next month, but you can also check out some of the other videos on my channel here. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Bye.